To restore all your teeth with dental implants, there's different ways to go about it. But prevalently, the first step is to bone graft early and often. If you get the bone in, the world is your oyster. You can go any direction from there and make your decision from there. But once the bone is in, you'll spend a lesser amount of time in a very annoying denture and sooner get to your fixed and end result sooner. What's great is if you can skip the denture step altogether. So some paths to go in that way is to graft very early and often. And once the graft is placed, you can get implants in. In this case, it has an implant in the back and one in the front. And then when the other teeth require removal, perhaps the back teeth are removed here, the graft is moved here, so it's symmetrical. And the very last step, that we can take impressions or scan it, send it to the lab. They'll be able to make your teeth just like you have, but perfect, but much, much better, a little bit wider and brighter. Make your final teeth and then remove your teeth, replace your denture teeth, and you're never having to wear a denture. It's fabulous.